Steven, this book is very useful. You need this book. You know, it's about everything you need. It's about school, it's about education, it's about economy, it's about science, it's about medication, it's about everything you need, man. If you need healing, if you need anything in nature, how to live in nature, you have everything. Just if you buy this book, you have no problem, man. You wanna check it out? If you wanna check it out, I will give it to you. It's a great book. It's an excellent book, even. Only limited edition. Price is only 15 euro, and I think you need to check it out. It's very good, man. It's excellent book.
You said
pretty useful.
It's useful. Huh?
Pretty useful.